You use your bathroom every day, right? It's where you start and end the day. So it's important it can withstand the wear and tear. So when you're decorating a bathroom, it's essential you use appropriate products if you want it to stay looking good. So I thought I'd share my pearls of wisdom on the matter, and everything I'm going to talk about you can get from your local Brewers Decorator Centre. Wallpaper in the bathroom, I hear you say? I think that wallpaper can be a brilliant way of adding character to what can otherwise be a fairly sterile space. Now, vinyl is most suitable, but you can use anaglitter painted with eggshell, or a tip that one of my friends from Brewers gave me was to add a couple of coats of matte decorator's varnish to standard wallpaper. Now, I did this 6 years ago and it's still going strong, and it does mean the wall's your oyster when it comes to wallpaper designs.
You only need to varnish paper in areas close to wet zones, although it's best to avoid wallpapering splash zones altogether. Wainscoting helps to distance these in my bathroom. You also want to make sure you have sufficient ventilation to avoid the steam from breaking down the adhesive.
As for paint, well, for walls and ceilings, as it's usually a relatively small space in the bathroom, the idea would be to use an acrylic eggshell, which will give you a low odour, but you can also use a durable matte. Oh, I've ripped out some pretty hideous tiles over the year when renovating properties, but you could save time and money by simply painting them.
First of all, clean the tiles thoroughly, then use a trade-quality MSP from Bedeck or Rust-Oleum. Zinsser Allcoat will also work. An alternative is to use an adhesion primer like Zinsser 123, followed by a water-based eggshell top coat. This way you can design your own tiles too.
Obviously, mould can be an issue in the bathroom, so you may want to consider using a mould inhibitor paint like Zinsser Perma White or Dulux Mould Shield, which will help control the growth of mould. And obviously, silicone can be your saviour in the bathroom, but make sure you use a decent one like Brewers Bath and Sanitary silicone.
I often advise people that if you just want to spruce up your bathroom or indeed kitchen, using a grout pen to touch up discoloured grout can work wonders on refreshing the look and feel of the room. Remember, you can get hold of all of these products from your local brewers, along with any advice you need.
So now you've done it, just remember to keep your bathroom decor fresh by keeping the room fresh with plenty of air. Use that extractor fan, it's there for a reason. And then enjoy the magic of your new bathroom.